drop top time here at Unique Specialty Classics. This one's a 1972 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. 500 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. Should be 8.2 liters. Automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlights. As you can see, a more modern, high intensity headlight has been added. As far as color on this car, I guess I'd kind of call it a Marlowe. Kind of a deep wine color, nice shine to the paint. You're gonna find a few blemishes or imperfections or maybe a touch-up spot here or there, but overall, car has a nice shine to it. One of those cars, jump in, drive it, have some fun, top down, wind in your hair. Check out all the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down, car from every angle. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. White wall radial tires, Cadillac hubcaps. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, you may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, paint has a decent shine to it. A couple little scuffs down in the fender skirt. Black interior. Bench seat up front, of course. And we will get around to the driver's side. Check it out a little closer, start it up, let's hear it run. We'll check out the condition of the convertible top. And then at the very end of this video, Jason's gonna take it for a drive. A few items that will go along with this. Car cover. Looks like we have some gaskets, some miscellaneous parts. And Jason will have pictured those and have those in the still pictures also. Take a look at the chrome in the rear of the vehicle. Love these taillights like this, where it's kind of two-sided. Cool look. Couple little scuffs. This one in that rear quarter. All right, a few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Power seat, working order, wipers work. I did have the radio working myself also. Recent work that's been done, new front axle shafts, shocks, exhaust, and that carb was put on, the Edelbrock 4-barrel. New shocks in the front, air shocks in the rear. There's a toggle switch on the dash, and that's to initiate the AC as far as the compressor. Brakes are 60% in the front, 70% in the rear remaining. Did mention some powertrain seeps, kind of common for a car that's driven. Horn was in op, and also the license plate light, as well as the front driver turn signal is in op. And the cruise. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Cadillacs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. We gave you a good look at the driver's side there. Again, seats in nice shape. I haven't really noticed any rips, tears, or holes, just kind of the natural wear. All right, door panel. Let's had some repair work done to it on the armrest. Of course, your power windows and power locks over here. Top of the dash. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 500 cubic inches. Odometer reads, what, 37,238. I cannot confirm or deny original miles or not, just due to the age of the vehicle. Once a vehicle is a certain age, it is not recorded on the title. So unless you have a paper trail of the miles recorded, kind of tough to prove. Stereo working. Big fuel gauge is working that came up. Toggle switch. Right here I was talking about. Convertible top, power antenna. I don't believe that was working. Oh yes, it does. Look at that. Power antenna coming up. Good thing we double checked. Got to push it nice and firm to the left, but it does come down. Slip around behind this and hear it run. Take a peek under the hood too. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Sounds as you'd expect. Nothing too crazy over the top as far as exhaust. If I could get this one-handed or not here. It's going to be tough for me to reach that release. Let me pause this a second, get the hood open, check out that engine bay. All right, underside of the hood. And there it is. .2 liters. Power steering, power brakes, AC. There you can see that newer carb. Has been converted to the 134A R12. Looks like a newer radiator also. If you want to see the data tag, do any decoding, that'll be in the still pictures. Battery disconnect when it's in storage in between drives. Let's go ahead and get this top up. Check that out, see the condition of that, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And convertible top up. So power top functions as it should, as you could see. Latched above the windshield, nice fit. Black vinyl. And I did notice there's a few spots look like they've been repaired. There's another one on the other side, we'll get over that. I rolled the power windows up. Power windows do work, albeit like I've experienced with GM vehicles before, a little slow, but they made it up. Now I do want to show you kind of the headliner, I guess if you will, on the inside of this car. It does have a couple rips that are kind of folding down, which number one, you could either fold out of the way or just remove that inner liner. That's what it is, inner liner, and some of it's already been removed. And basically, if you need it to keep you out of the sun or a shower, it's going to serve that purpose. You can see the rear window. Slip around to the passenger side here. Again, you can see how the side glass fits. And then maybe another couple little repair spots. But like I said, need it to keep you dry. Looks like it served that purpose. I will show you the top going back down also. And then Jason's going to take her for a drive. 1972 Cadillac Eldorado. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Over 100 pictures of this car online. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1972 Cadillac Eldorado, a big, beautiful two-door convertible. We do have the top up today. Clarion stereo in the dash with cassette capability. Now I've tested FM, I've not tested cassette. The steering wheel is canted to the left a little bit. That doesn't affect performance at all. This is an automatic, shifted on the column. Very smooth running, smooth riding Cadillac, as they all should be. The blower motor works, the wipers work. The convertible power top functions as it should. Fuel gauge reading a little over half of a tank. Speedometer working as well. That beautiful big hood and hood ornament out prominently in front. Got power windows functioning. Comfortable leather bench seating. Wood grain and black on the inside. Kind of a rich burgundy on the outside. Fun to drive 1972 Cadillac Eldorado. Find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.